If your sugar spikes suddenly, don't panic, relax. Spike can happen even when you eat healthy. Is information telling you to pause and review your diet and habits. One single spike doesn't cause complications if you manage it well. Repeated and poorly managed spikes do. So what you do after a spike matters. In this video, I will show you how to know your blood sugar is spiking without a glucometer. Things you must avoid after a spike and what you can do to control your spike. Hello, welcome to day 14 of our 14-day no spike series. The signs of blood sugar spike, even if you don't check your sugar. Number one is feeling very tired or sleepy shortly after eating. Number two is strong thirst and dry mouth. When your blood sugar is high, sugar pulls out water from your cells, making you to have dehydration, which can trigger thirst. Number three, frequent urination. When your blood sugar rises, the kidney tries to remove excess sugar, which can cause frequent urination, especially after meal. Number four, brain fog or difficulty concentrating. The brain does not require insulin to take up glucose, so the rush of glucose to the brain can cause mental dullness, leading to slow thinking or difficulty concentrating. Number five, headache or pressure feeling. A rapid rise in blood sugar can as well trigger headache, especially in people living with diabetes or insulin resistance. Number six, fast heartbeat. Some people feel palpitation, shakiness, or inner restlessness during or after a spike due to release of stress hormone. Number seven, sudden hunger shortly after eating. If you feel hungry just an hour or two after eating, is a sign of sugar spike. Number eight, blood vision. High blood sugar can affect fluid balance in the eyes, leading to temporarily blurry vision. Number nine, mood changes. Irritability, anxiety, or sudden low mood after meals can be related to rapid rise in blood sugar. If you have any of these signs, use your glucometer to confirm if you are having a spike in blood sugar and do what needs to be done quickly. Because blood sugar spike can have fatal outcome in some people. If at this point you've not given this video a thumbs up, this is the best time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with people in your circle. Now, 5 things you must avoid doing after a spike. 1. Don't eat immediately after a spike. Give your body time to deal with what you already ate that raised your blood sugar. Number 2, don't panic. Panicking releases cortisol, and cortisol inhibits the action of insulin, worsening your sugar spikes. So try not to panic when you spike. Number 3, don't overcorrect with drugs and supplements. A spike is not a signal to increase your dose if you're already on drugs or overload yourself with supplements. Overcorrection can lead to dangerous lows, so don't double up without consulting your healthcare provider. Number 4, high blood sugar increases thirst. So when you start feeling unusually thirsty, don't quench your thirst with sugary drinks or alcohol. Number 5, don't skip meals all day or starve yourself with extreme fasting. This can stress you up and cause the release of cortisol, which can lead to even more spikes. Now, pay attention to the 4 things you must do after a spike. Number 1, drink 1 or 2 glasses of plain water. Water helps to dilute glucose slightly, support the excretion of glucose from the kidney, and reduce dehydration caused by high blood sugar. Number 2, move for 20 to 30 minutes. Walk, do light chores, stretch. Movement helps your muscle take up glucose without insulin and is one of the fastest ways to control sugar spikes. Number 3, relax and review. Take a deep breath. Relax and travel back in time to understand why you spiked. Was your meal carb heavy? Was the portion too large? Were you already stressed or tired before the spike? Spikes communicate how and what your body responds to. So checking these things will give you a picture of what is causing your spike. Number 4, plan your next meal better. Add plenty vegetables, prioritize your protein, use small amount of healthy fats, keep carbs low. This helps stabilize sugar and prevent more spikes. This is when you should seek medical help immediately. One, if your blood sugar stays high for several hours, even after doing all I've stipulated. Number two, your spikes are frequent despite diet and habit changes. Number three, if you have any of these symptoms, dizziness, confusion, or vomiting, seek medical help. Spikes can have fatal outcome if not well managed. So finally, if you have a spike, stop eating, relax, drink water, move, and plan your next meal better. One spike is not a big issue. Repeated unmanaged spikes are. See you in the next one. Catch ya. Bye bye.